you like it when these diamonds look like respect. I'm a little closer, sassy boy.
I risked it all and I got a pair.
Baby, no.
Got a lot of things that are like tie-dye. Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of spending my college tuition on clothes. Yay! Today I'm going to be filming a haul, and a pretty huge one, and a huge shout out to Nasty Gal for sending me over some of their spring and summer collection. It's so cute and just to die for. I will leave their website's link in the description if you want to check them out. But I just want to show you guys everything I got, so let's jump right into it. I should just title this video Roy G. Biv Collective Haul because there are so many different colors here. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm really into colors right now, which is so not like me, but they all cute, so it's okay. First thing that I got from Nasty Gal was this beautiful coral pink off the shoulder, like those spring and summer like dainty tops. I love them so much. I have so many of these in my closet and they're mainly white, but then I realized like, why am I only getting them in white? Because they all look the same, so I decided to get this beautiful coral pink, and it's kind of metallic and silky. It's just so cute. I love it so much. I'm literally wearing a top very similar to this, just in this color, and there's a little tie in the front and it's cropped. It's just perfect. This next item, I kind of go crazy over it because it's just so my style. It's so me, and I've been really into the color purple. I don't know why. I think it's like my favorite color right now. So this is just wow. Can we just, yeah, okay. I have this beautiful lavender purple cropped blazer. I can't wait to wear this with like baggy denim jeans and cute sneakers. I think it's such a cute outfit, and oh my god, I'm so excited for it. What I love about cropped blazers is that normally blazers are like perceived as very like professional and like formal, but because it's cropped, it kind of gives you that casual vibe, and that's kind of like my style. I'm not really like formal with my style, so I love how it's cropped. I love the color. Okay, can we just, yeah, this is I also got a couple sweaters, and yes, again, they're colorful. I mean, I don't really know what you would expect me to say at this point. The first one I'm going to talk about is my favorite one, and it's just so cute. Okay, it's this bright yellow cropped cardigan. It's amazing when you can find pieces that you can wear as a jacket or as a shirt, and I think I could do that with both, with like a cute bralette underneath it. It's just so freaking adorable. Like, I just want to eat it up. I also really like the tone of yellow. It's not like an annoying yellow where you just look like a minion. It's like the nice girly yellow, if that makes sense. Just reminds me of like a summer in Greece, and I'm just wearing this like over my cute dress. Although it's a sweater, it's pretty thin. It's not like extremely thick, so I think you could still wear this like at night during the summer and it would still look nice. So that's the scenario I have in my head. The next sweater is a thick sweater, so I think this is perfect for around this time because it's not like super hot, but it's not like super cold. So it's this lavender purple. I told you guys I have an obsession with purple, and it's just a knit sweater that's like semi-cropped, and it's like a jacket. I like it a lot. I'm really into these type of things right now, guys. I need you to understand. And then I got this white sweater. This is a little bit more trendy. It's one of those white like tie sweaters. I have literally so many of these. I have it in black, I have it in blue, I have it in pink, I now have it in white. So I just love how I can wear this with literally anything. It just looks so nice. Again, you can wear it as a top or a jacket. 10 out of 10. Then I got a jacket, and I really like this jacket because I've been wanting something like this for a really long time. Not like a bomber jacket, I mean like a puffer jacket. And when I saw this on the website, I was like, wow, that actually looks like it would match a lot of outfits because of the color. And I thought I could get some really nice use out of it. And so I shall show. It's this really big white puffer jacket, and it's kind of like leathery material. So if it's raining, perfect for that. It's like great weather conditions. It like rained a day in LA, and I wore it to school, and I was so warm. Like, I probably didn't need to wear anything underneath because of how warm it kept me, and I really like it. And it's like the perfect length, because I know that there are some jackets that are like, are you oversized or are you like normal fitting? Like, what are you? This is kind of just like the perfect oversized for my body, and I melt. Before I move on to accessories, I want to share these pair of shoes I got because they I really like them. Okay. Before I go shopping or like online shopping, what I always do is I have a folder saved on my Instagram of like clothes I want to buy or like outfits I really like and like get inspired by them. So I'll go through those folders and literally in almost every other photo, the girl or the guy or whoever is modeling is wearing a pair of shoes like the ones I'm holding right now. And I've always wanted a pair, but it's like, am I gonna be able to pull that off? But you know what? I risked it all and I got a pair. They are these below the knee booties and they're just so freaking nice. Like, look at that. The heel is high. We're gonna have to work on that. I literally like need to practice walking in heels before I wear these out because they are high. Like, high for me at least. I don't really wear heels, so this is gonna be hard, but that's fine because I will put in the effort for these shoes. They're like right below the knee and they don't exactly go like straight up. It's kind of like wrinkly, if that makes sense, but that's the look of it and I really like that because it doesn't look extremely like stiff and like, oh, like I'm an old woman. The toe has like this metal ring going around, which is a nice detail. I would probably either wear this with like a skirt or a dress and like a big jacket over it with my white puffer jacket. Like, I don't know, that's kind of the vision I have for this shoe, but they're really nice and they're such nice quality too. They're just, wow. I hope I will be successful in learning how to walk in heels so I can wear these because I really want to. The rest of the items that I got are all jewelry. I kind of went a little overboard with it because they have really nice accessories and they're super affordable, which is just A1. It's a 2 set, so they're just normal silver hoops, but then they also have these ones with little locks on them. I really like it. I think it's so freaking cute. Ooh, okay, this next one. I have been really into chunky silver like choker type necklaces, if that makes sense. Like, obviously I like my dainty ones, but sometimes when I'm trying to get like that industrial look, I need something like that. And all of the other chains I have are very, very big, like too big to the point where it doesn't look cute. This is the perfect size and it has that little silver bar, which I think just makes it look so much nicer. It's not too big, not too chunky, just perfect. So 10 out of 10 would recommend. And the last item that I got from Nasty Gal is a gold necklace, but this one has pearls in it and pearls are also really in. I really want like a pearl choker. I've been seeing them all around Instagram and I really want one. And I saw this one on their website and I was like, ooh, she cute, so I got it. It's a set, so there's a pearl necklace, but then also like some gold layering necklaces, which is perfect because sometimes when I'm trying to layer necklaces, they don't really match up. Either they're not the same color or it's like they're all the same height, so it doesn't look good. But when you buy them as sets, it's nice because they're all similar, so it doesn't look too like out of the order, you know, if that makes sense. Those are all the items that I got from Nasty Gal. I'm so excited to work with them. And if you guys want to see more like styling videos or like outfit videos, let me know in the comments. Once again, I will leave the link to Nasty Gal's website down below in the description, as well as all the items that I got if you want to purchase them and we can be twinning. It's all down there. Ooh, next up, next up, next up, next up, next up, next up. Next up, we're going to Dollskill, and I'm so excited for everything I got it. They're all so cute, and they're all very similar, and you'll see why. But tie-dye, my friend, is all over my closet. I cannot stop it. You will see like at least 5 different tie-dye items in here. I don't know why. I'm really into it, so I got a lot of things that are like tie-dye, a lot. The first item that I got is this low-rise tie-dye skirt. It looks very tiny, but it's low-rise, so it's not as tiny as you think because it's not high-waisted. But it's this blue denim, kind of like bleached, like just tie-dye skirt, and I really like it. I think it would be so cute with like one of those, it would look so cute with this top. What am I even saying? This is so nice because this top has like denim details on it. And wow, look at that. Look at us go. Shall we move on to our next tie-dye item? I think so. I got a pair of sweats because I have like 3 sweats in my closet and they're all black and I'm done wearing them because at this point it's like, come on man, like I just needed new sweats. So I got these orange tie-dye sweats and they're really cool. And then on the leg it has this green detailing. I think this is BRB. And then it says Connection Air. I just really like the hint of green. I think it just adds more to it. And just like your comfortable pair of sweats, I think they're nice. And I think it would look really cute with just like a white hoodie. very casual. We love. Moving on, I got a pair of pants. I don't know why I waited so long to show this because it's my favorite item in this haul, maybe even? Maybe? I mean, there are a lot of cute things here, but these pants, wow. Okay. I'm the type of person who only gets like plain jeans, plain like blue, plain black, plain white, just plain. And I'm sick of that because all my jeans just are starting to look the same. And so I kind of went a little out of my comfort zone and I got something that has a lot of pattern on it. And I thought it was so fun. There are these black jeans, but they have this beautiful pattern on it. It's kind of like Asian writing. I don't exactly know what language this is, but it's just, I thought it was cool, man. I don't know, like I like it. I think it's different. I just like the whole look of it. I think it would be really nice to wear like a basic, cute top over it, whether it's white or black, or even a color would look good with this. And I thought it would be really fun to style this. Moving on to my last item from Doll Scale. I mainly got this for summer because it's a little too cold to wear this right now. It's a green cropped tie-dye top. This time they're not bottoms, it's a top. And it's off the shoulder, and then on the side there are these crisscrosses that you can just tie. I thought it was really fun and cute and perfect for summer, very colorful, and I don't know, I like it. I think it's just different. I don't know. I don't really have anything like this in my closet, so I've been trying to buy things that I don't normally have because I read this thing online where it's like you only wear 20% of your clothes 80% of the time. So I was like, okay, well I need to stop wearing the same 20% of clothes that I always do. So we went a little overboard with different items. These next items that I got are from an online Instagram store called by Sammi Ryan. I will leave their link in the description and their Instagram so you guys can check them out. They were sweet enough to send over this adorable sweats and hoodie set, and once again, they are tie-dye. I will say that, and it's so adorable. I wore it to school and everyone was like, where did you get that? Tell me where it's from. I will go home and buy it right now. Like, just tell me where it's from. And I was like, of course. We got that purple, obviously, and then we've got some orange, and then we've got some blue, and then on the side it says don't play me. It's like this beautiful little graphic on here, and I thought it was so nice. I really like it. This is her. She's so cute. I really like it. And they have so many sweats and hoodies like this. There were so many. Most of them were out of stock. They were like sold out, but these ones weren't, and I was like, those are my favorite ones anyway, so this is perfect. And then the hoodie is just like that, very similar. It says don't play me, the same colors. Check their Instagram out, it's all down below. 10 out of 10 would recommend. The next and last store I went to was Zara, and all the things that I got are a little bit more like my old style, if that makes sense. It's not very colorful, it's a little bit more like down to earth. So the first item is this beautiful silk crop top with this like ruffling kind of detailing at the top. I thought it was cute. I think that it's really easy to dress these tops up or down. You can wear this to a cute dinner. A cute dinner. Not an ugly one, a cute dinner. You can wear this to a dinner, or you can just wear it during the day with jeans and that would still look nice. Again, like I said, it's really nice when you find items that you can like dress in different ways, so you're spending technically less money, but you can wear it on different occasions. I think that's like a pro shopping tip. Buy items that you can wear for different occasions and save money, and it still fits each occasion that you're buying it for. And the last item is a jacket that I got so many compliments on, and the minute I saw it I was like, wow, that actually looks like such nice quality, and it looks like a jacket that could last you a very long time. And it wasn't like super expensive, but for the cost that it was, I think it was definitely worth it. It's a black kind of puffer jacket, but it's not like super puffy, and it's kind of oversized. I think this is even a medium. Oh no, it's an extra small. So it's supposed to be oversized, which is great because I love it when that happens. It's kind of cropped. It's just black and it has like these pockets. I really like this pattern to it. Can you see that? I forget what it's called, but I think it's so nice. And it just looks like such a nice quality jacket. Like when you put it on, literally so my style. And I've worn it like 4 times out of the 5 days I went to school, and everyone was like, that is such a nice looking jacket. And I was like, I know. Thank you. Those are all the items that I got in this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know there were a lot of colorful items, but we did also have some neutral ones in there, so I don't know, we're trying something out different, so I'll let you know how it goes. You will possibly see a styling video on these items, but I love you guys so very much, and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys!